Home head massage tutorial. Step 1. Lift and pull the Eentang acupoint. Step 2. Gently wipe from the brow center to the brow tail. Step 3. Gently knead and point press the Jingming acupoint. Step 4. Soothe the eye area. Step 5. Gently knead the Taiyang acupoints on both sides. Step 6. Gently rub both ear auricles. Step 7. Gently knead both sides of the neck. Step 8. Gently tap the Baihui acupoint on the top of the head. Step 9. Lift and pull the neck. Step 10. Massage the gallbladder meridian on both sides of the top of the head with finger knuckles. Quickly learn it for your family. 1 minute to teach you how to learn back meridian massage. First step, use the pads of 2 fingers to push straight on the Dasui acupoint area. Second step, use the pads of 2 fingers to separate and pluck the trapezius muscles on both sides. Third step, make a fist and use your knuckles to push the trapezius muscle. Fourth step, use both hands to separate and pluck along the scapular borders on both sides. Fifth step, push along the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Sixth step, push straight along the central du meridian. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Seventh step, make a fist and rub the entire back until it is warm. Finally, separate and pluck both sides and then bring them back. Each movement can be repeated 20 to 30 times. Are you seeking a more natural approach to supporting your well-being? Consider gentle abdominal massage. The abdomen is a central hub for many vital functions, including digestion, hormone balance, the body's natural cleansing processes, and even supporting immunity. It's also a key location of meridians, influencing various aspects of health, from digestion and metabolism to mood, sleep, and daily energy levels. Gentle abdominal massage can promote healthy circulation and stimulate energy flow, positively impacting these important physiological processes. For example, it can aid in improving digestion, reducing bloating and post-meal discomfort, and promoting hormone balance, which is essential for maintaining healthy metabolism and steady energy. This can also contribute to improved sleep and a more balanced mood. Furthermore, it supports immunity by promoting lymphatic circulation, helping the body more effectively eliminate waste and toxins, which is crucial for overall health. Through gentle abdominal massage, we may better support our body's natural rhythms and enhance our overall well-being. When applying the oil, look at this hand, open the web between your thumb and index finger on your left hand, and place your right hand into the web of your left hand. The outer side is pushed outwards like this. The inner side is pulled inwards. Because the outer side has the stomach meridian, gallbladder meridian, and bladder meridian, so the massage direction is pushed from top to bottom. Now we are applying the oil. When applying the oil, push down the outer side. At this time the leg is cold. We need to warm up the leg first by pushing. Look at my hand, the position of these fingers has not changed. The massage force needs to be deep. The massage therapist's feet should be spread apart. And the waist needs to apply force. We are first pushing the bladder meridian. The bladder meridian is located on the midline of the back of the leg. The bladder meridian belongs to the yang meridians. For yang meridians we should push from top to bottom. If it is a yin meridian, it is the opposite. We should push from bottom to top. We have 6 meridians in the leg, 3 yin meridians and 3 yang meridians. If you push along the meridian from bottom to top, it can enhance the body's energy. Conversely, if you push along the meridian from top to bottom, it can have the effect of detoxifying the body. Do you think this is detoxifying or enhancing energy? This is enhancing energy. Pushing along the meridian, this is enhancing energy, because the bladder meridian runs from top to bottom. Pushing along the meridian is enhancing energy. This is derived from thousands of years of Chinese medicine theory. What I am pushing on the leg now is the middle line of the foot taiyang bladder meridian. Push one meridian about 3 to 5 times. After pushing it, the outer line is the gallbladder meridian. The gallbladder meridian also belongs to the yang meridians. It is also pushed downwards. You can apply force with the palm. The hands are overlapped like this. I am now pushing the gallbladder meridian, also known as the foot shaoyang gallbladder meridian. The gallbladder meridian is on the side of the leg. After pushing the gallbladder meridian, do this next. Push and knead the back of the thigh in circles with both palms. Here is the bladder meridian. We first massage the thigh. Many people cannot do this technique. It's a bit like kneading the abdomen. Some techniques are interconnected in different parts of the body. Then it's the calf. For the calf muscles, this technique needs to be gentle. After kneading the bladder meridian, put your hand here. What meridian is this? I'll test you. This is the kidney meridian, also known as the foot showing kidney meridian. The kidney meridian belongs to the yin meridians. Do you remember what I just said? Yin meridians should be pushed from bottom to top. Pushing along the meridian helps to enhance body energy. The foot 3 yin meridians in Chinese medicine are the kidney meridian, liver meridian, and spleen meridian. These 3 meridians are all pushed from bottom to top. After pushing the 3 meridians, warm up the kidney meridian again to make the entire leg warm. Come down from this side. Next are the strengthening massage techniques for the calf. Step 1. Push upwards from bottom to top along the midline of the back of the calf with both thumbs. Step 2 is alternately dividing and separating with both hands, also from bottom to top. Step 3 is dividing and separating horizontally left and right. Step 4, pinch and knead up and down with the fingers of both hands. The force of pinching and kneading should be even. Step 5, alternately push and knead horizontally with palm heels. Pay attention to controlling the force and keeping it gentle. After completing the above 5 steps, strengthen the massage on the sole of the foot with finger knuckles. Point knead the Yongquan acupoint individually. Point knead it more often. Then point knead the Qingshan acupoint. Here in the popliteal fossa there is also the Weizhong acupoint. The Yinmen acupoint is in the middle of the thigh. Here is the Qingfu acupoint. First point knead these 5 acupoints. Want to easily care for your health at home? Try foot reflexology. It's a simple technique. Massaging specific areas on your feet corresponds to different parts of your body. Pressing these reflex areas can boost circulation and ease stress. It can also support digestion and respiratory function, improve sleep, and even relieve pain. It's a relaxing and convenient way to support your well-being.